Okay, in this video, let's type our HTML code. We want to implement a general structure of our HTML code completely, although not everything, only its main structure. So in this part, you can see that we have a sidebar, and inside it, there is a nav. Also, we have main here, in which we have different sections like home, testimonial, work, resume, about, and contact. Each time, one of these sections is displayed. As you can see here, there is this sidebar here, which is constant everywhere. It is available on all pages and does not change. And our main section, which has different sections in it, like home, which is here, like about, like resume, work, testimonial, and contact. In all of them, the sidebar is the same and is fixed, and only the content inside it changes. So our sidebar is the same thing everywhere. What we have inside it is our navigation, which by clicking on any of these items, we can see the section related to it. That is home, about, resume, work, testimonial, and contact, as you can see in this picture. So using the nav each time, we display one of these sections. All right, let's go and implement this structure in HTML. I have already created a folder named Website Portfolio. I open it using Visual Studio Code. Now, you see that it is an empty project. I create a new file called index.html. It is our first file and our content will be placed inside it. That is, all our HTML code will go in here. I type an exclamation mark and hit tab. It creates an HTML document for me. In the title section, I change it to Portfolio Website. Okay, now we can test our run using the live server and see the result of our work. We can't see anything yet. The page is blank. So let's start coding. We go here and implement our sidebar first. There is a div here that has the ID of the sidebar. Like this, we create a div with the ID of the sidebar, and this is our sidebar, this part. And there is a navigation inside it, so we also put a nav in it, which is one of the HTML5 tags. So we also use the nav. Now, our sidebar has other parts too, which we will implement later, like logo and the switch button between dark mode and light mode, as we can see here. Now we go to another part where we have the main section. Here is the main section and everything we have is inside it. That is, in any section, when we click on any item in nav, these different sections will be displayed. We have a section with the ID of home, as you can see. See, here we have the ID of home, about, resume, work, testimonial, and contact. And for each one, we create a section similar to what you see here. So we create a section for about, testimonial, work, resume, and contact too. Press the keys Alt, Shift, and downward arrow and create 5 copies of this so that we have 6 pages. Then enter these pages one by one: about, resume, work, testimonial, and contact. Now we can write what is inside them too. Now let's go and see the result of our code. See, for now the result is something like this, and if we take an inspect, as you can see, we have a sidebar that still has nothing in it, and next to it we have a main section that has different sections. We are going to move forward and make it more complete, and you will see what sections will be added to these, and we will make the code more complete.